Hey guys, Rexel here and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to use and save your Memojis into your camera roll so that you can post them on your Instagram stories, your Facebook My Day, or post them on any of your social media accounts. But before we start with anything, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and by giving this video a thumbs up. Okay? Okay. To start with, select any message from your message app. On top of your keyboard, you will see this Memoji icon. Tap it and it will load up the Memojis that you already have created. If you haven't created any Memoji, tap the plus button and it will give you a blank canvas of Memoji to customize for yourself. We have so many options here, from skin color to hairstyle, to every part of the face, down to accessories like eyewear and headwear. So we will just use this Memoji for this video. Now on your left, tap the camera button. Now just be mindful that you cannot switch between photo or video mode while the Memoji is on. So you have to switch first to video mode before tapping the star sign on the left. On the far left, we have the Memoji icon. Tap it, and it will load up the Memojis that you already created. Tap any Memoji that you want, and start recording. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comments below. Tap Done, and it will create your movie. Creating a movie depends on how long you recorded your video. When it's done creating movie, you can already close this one and your video will directly be saved in your camera roll. So that's it guys. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!